Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to a PlayStation 4. While the PlayStation 4 console has Bluetooth capabilities, it does not natively support audio output to most standard Bluetooth headphones, including many Sony models. To bridge this gap, you will need a USB Bluetooth adapter. This adapter will allow your console to communicate with your headphones. Make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and ready for pairing before we begin. Once you have your USB Bluetooth adapter, the first step is to plug it into any open USB port on your PlayStation 4 console. These ports are usually located on the front of the console. Most adapters have a small button or a specific sequence to put them into pairing mode. Look for an indicator light, often blinking blue or red, which signals that the adapter is actively searching for a device to connect with. This step is crucial for establishing the connection. Now, with your USB adapter in pairing mode, it's time to put your Sony headphones into their own Bluetooth pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button on the headphones for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. The adapter and headphones should then automatically detect each other and establish a connection. A solid light on your USB adapter typically confirms that the pairing was successful, meaning your headphones are now linked. After successful pairing, you'll need to adjust your PlayStation 4's audio settings. Go to the console's main menu, then navigate to Settings, followed by Sound and Screen, and finally Audio Output Settings. From there, select Output to Headphones and choose the All Audio option. This ensures that both game sound and chat audio are routed through your Sony headphones, providing a complete immersive experience. You are now ready to enjoy your games wirelessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.